talk about the number base conversion. So basically number base conversion, what the number base conversion means? Number base conversion means that you want to convert our numbers into the different representation. So the base can be different. If I am using a base of 8, the number conversion will be different. If I am using a base of 2, the number conversion will be different. So definitely what we are saying that representation of a number in a different radix are used to represent their equivalent, or are said, or I can say are said to be equivalent if they have same decimal representation. So I will going to tell you this with the help of an example, what this statement means. For example, that suppose I have to represent 9. This is 9 is my decimal. Okay. So if I am representing this 9 into the, let's say, your base 2 or in base 8, how I can do? I can write this 1 0 0 1, because we know simple. I'm using a formula which I have got, a formula of 8 4 2 1. So how I can represent 9? 9 means I have to make a 1 8, then 4 0 2 0, and then 1. So this is my representation of a 9. And what about if I have to represent it in the base of 8? My answer will be 11. So what I can write? I can write in the form of 0 0 1 1. Let us verify this whether it is correct or not. What is the value of this A0? A0, and this is the value of A1. A2, and this is your A3. A0 is value is 1, A1 value is 1, this is 0, this is 0. Multiply by 8 raised to power 0, and this is 8 raised to power 1, rest 8 raised to power 2, rest 8 raised to power 3. So what is this? 1 8 0 0. What is the answer? 9. Okay, apply the formula here. 1 into 2 raised to power 0, 0 into 2 raised to power 1, 0 into 2 raised to power 2, 0 into 2 raised to power 3. What will be the answer? 1 0, sorry, this is 1. 2 raised to power 3, 8. This come out to be 9. So you can see the representation, this 9 and this 9 are same, but the equivalent which we have obtained in the different race are different. So now the question is that how we will going to convert it. So we have got a different base at radix, let's say 1001 when we are using a base of 2, 0011 when we are getting the base of 8. So I will going to tell you how this conversion is been taking place. So for that what we have to do, that the operation which we have done in the form of a multiplier, that means whatever the equivalent we have got, okay, if we want to convert it into a decimal equivalent, what we were doing? We were doing the operation of a multiply. Now if we have to do the reverse operation of it, we have to divide. Now we will do the reverse operation for converting decimal number to a number in a base R. Whatever the number you have got, whatever the base you have got, whatever the decimal number we are using, you should always know a mathematical relation for it. For any base we can convert it into a decimal equivalent, and now we will going to do a reverse operation. So whenever we are talking about the decimal number, what we can say, whenever we have a number can be represented in two forms. It has got an integer part plus it has got a fraction part. Whenever we are talking about the number, so we can have an integer part and a fraction part. Like we are talking about an integer number. So integer number means we do not have a decimal point in. So how to represent this integer part and how to represent this fractional part into the different base radix, this will be our next. Okay, so let's say I have a question like this, that I have to convert a decimal 41. Okay, that means I have this 41 base 10, and let's say I want to convert it into a base of 2. So what will be my approach? See, I will going to tell you both method, divide by 2 and trace the remainder. Yes, I will going to tell you the both method, the easy way in which we are doing, and the mathematical representation of. So what we will do is that we will going to make a integer quotient here. Let's say we have got integer part here, integer quotient, and what will be the remainder? Okay, plus what will be the remainder we have got. So remainder spelling is REMAIND. Okay, remainder. And then what will be the coefficient? So I'm writing short form of a coefficient. So let's say if I have got 41. So what is my first input? My first input is 41. So if I ask about what will be the integer quotient, if I divide 41 by 2, what will be my integer? 20. And what will be the remainder? 1. Remainder will be, because how you will write 41 divided by 2? You will going to write 40 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. Your remainder will be not 1. Your remainder will be 1 by 2 because you were not able to divide it. If you were able to divide that 1, so how you are going to write? You will going to write this as a 20 plus 1 by 2. And now if you want to check, you can just check it. 20 plus 1 by 2. So you will going to take the LCM. 20, 22 is 40, 40 plus 1, 41 by 2. And if you are writing like 20 plus 1, answer will be 21. Answer will be 20. If you are writing plus 1 as a remainder, so your answer will be what? 21, not 41 by 2. Got my point? So what we can say, that whatever we are getting this coefficient, whatever this we are getting here, this will be a coefficient. So what the coefficient I am getting here? 1. Now take the another part. What is the another part we have got? We have got 20. Now how I will going to write 20? 20 divided by 2. What will be my answer? 10 plus 0 by 2. 10 plus 0 by 2. So what is the coefficient here? Can you tell me? Coefficient will be your 0. Similarly, now take 10 divided by 2. What will be the answer? 5 plus 0 by 2. What will be the coefficient? It is 0. Okay, then again 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2. What are you going to write? 2 plus 1 by 2. What will be the answer? 1. Then again take 2. I am writing here 2 divided by 2. Your answer will be 1, and again remainder will be 0 by 2. So what you will be writing? 1 0 0 1. So what you have to do? You have to take this one. So your answer will going to take like this. This answer. So this answer will be your 1. I have 0 0 1 0 and 1.
We will check whether the answer which we are getting is correct or wrong.
So I'm writing the last step, this one. So what I can do? I can write this here. 1. Now I will get a 1 by 2. What will be the answer? 0 plus 1 by 2. So this will be your last coefficient, which will going to come here. So what we have done, let me revise it. So we have done it like this. 41 divided by 2. So it was 20 plus 1 by 2. Then 20 divided by 2, it was 10 plus 0 by 2. Then 10 divided by 2, it was 5 plus 0 by 2. Then 5 divided by 2, it is 2 plus 1 by 2. Then 2 divided by 2, 1 plus 0 by 2. And then 1 divided by 2, it was 0 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so what we have done, we have taken this coefficient of 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is your answer, 1 0 0 1 0 1. So now what we are trying to do is that we are writing 41 as what? You know that we are writing 41 as a raised to power 5, a raised to power 4, a raised to power 3, a raised to power 2, a raised to power 1, like this only, and a raised to power 0. So what is the, this was the series we have seen. Okay, so how we will going to write? This was your a raised to power 0, a raised to power 1, a raised to power a2, a3, a4, a5. So why we are writing how? 1 0, you're getting 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1, and this will be your representation of. Okay, you got it? What is the meaning of a reverse order? Okay, so what we, if we are writing in this way, okay, if we are writing as 1 0 0 1 0 0 1, this will going to lead what? This will lead to a representation of a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to you. Okay, so always use the concept that how you are representing your number. So any number if you want to convert, okay, any number you want to convert, you can use it. Let's say, just I will take quickly example of one number 153, and let's say I want to convert it into the, let's say this is a decimal, or I want to convert it into the base of 8. So what I have to do? I have to divide it with 8. I will take 153. I can do a simple rotation that I can divide it by 8. So 8 19s are 53. My 152. My remainder will be 1. Then 8 2s are 16. Okay, my remainder will be 3. What is 8 will not going to divide, so my this will going to come, and then what will be my answer? My answer will be 2 3 1. You can just check out. In a similar way which we have done in the previous one, you can use a division operation also here. So let me show you that also. Approach 41. So what you can do? 220 ja 40. What will be your remainder? 1. Okay, because 1 was not divisible by 2. 2 10 ja 20. What was your remainder? 0. 2 5 ja 10. Remainder was 0. Okay, 2 2 ja 4. Remainder was 1. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder was 0. 2 cannot be divided. 2 0 ja 0 1. So this will be, again you can see. Now what you are doing? You are taking it in a reverse order. What you were talking about? You were taking it. So you can see 1 0 1 0 0 1. So this concept is clear to you? Okay, so take any number, just divide it by its, you will get the answer. Okay, so thank you everyone.